Zanu PF Mash East pushes for national hero status for slain Mnangagwa. The 21st of August 2025. By Lovemore Politics Desk, Zanu PF Mashonaland East Province has formally requested that slain businessman Joseph Mnangagwa be accorded national hero status following his brutal killing at his RUWA farmhouse on Sunday night. Mnangagwa, 67, was shot dead in what police believe was a robbery. A committed ruling party member at Goromanzi district level, he was widely recognized for his contributions to both Zanu PF and the nation. Provincial Political Commissar Lincoln Madare confirmed the request, saying Mnangagwa's work in business and community development deserved the highest honor. We have applied to the national party leadership for CDE Mnangagwa to be declared a national hero because of the role he played in developing the country after independence and supporting party activities. CDE Mnangagwa was one of the new crop of indigenous business people who created employment for the youth and contributed immensely to the growth of the country's economy, said Madare. Zanu PF Central Committee member mnangagwaZim echoed the call. He contributed immensely to the party and the nation at large. He employed more than 500 people and paid school fees for more than 200 students from underprivileged families. Hence deserve the recognition, Kasham said. Fatal shooting, Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP. Spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyathi said Mnangagwa was shot dead at his RUWA property, popularly known as Mnangagwa Hideout, around 11 p.m. on the 17th of August 2025. 7 masked assailants armed with pistols, claw bars, and hammers are believed to have carried out the attack. They reportedly overpowered the security guard, tied him up, and forced their way into the farmhouse. The robbers made the guard and Mnangagwa's son lie down in the dining room before proceeding to the bedroom, where they shot the businessman in the stomach while his wife looked on. Both were rushed to Eden Hospital in Windsor, RUWA. Mnangagwa was pronounced dead on arrival, while his wife is still receiving treatment for her injuries.